Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about class and objects. This is very easy topic of how to create a class and object. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Almost everything in Python is an object and with its property and its methods. So objects are created with the help of its properties and methods that are included. So a class is like an object constructor. So it will create like an object constructor, or we can say a blueprint for creating objects. So it will help you to create the blueprint for how can you create a object inside a class. So this is one of the way to create the classes inside the Python. So how to create a class? To create a class, use the keyword class. We have to use the keyword class to create a class. So here on screen, you can see that I have used the keyword class and I have given the class name as a my class. And inside that, I have given the variable and its value. So if you need to create a class, you have to give any particular class name that you need to require, and then you can create it. After that, you have to create one object. Here I have created P1. So inside that I have used the my class name of that the class I have created, and we are using this to print the value of x that is required. So this is the easiest way, or this is the one of the easiest way to create the Python classes inside the Python. So let me run one program. So class equal to class. What is the class name I am going to give? I am going to write my class, and then x is equal to 5. After that, if I want to print this, what will I write? I have to mention that what is the object? Object equal to my class of. So it will be required that inside the my class, I need to create an object. And what object I need to create? I have to print the value of x that I have already created. So inside the object is, that is object obj dot x, because I need to print the value of x here. Okay, let me run this. So now on screen you can see that I have got the value of x that is available here. This is one of the easiest way how can you create a class and how can you get the value inside that. The second method we are going to have is the init of function. On screen you can see that I have mentioned the init of function. So the example above are the classes and objects in their simplest form. They are not really useful in real life application. So to understand the meaning of class, we have to understand the built-in init of function, which is always executed when the class is being initiated. Okay. So there is one example I am going to write, that how can you create the init function. So init function is assign value to object properties, and other operations are necessary when the object is created. Okay. So after that I will run this particular program, then you will be able to understand what is the use of this init function. So in that case, I have mentioned one. What is happening here? I have created class name of person, and then I have used the init. Okay. In that case, you can use so many types of object. That here I have used name, age, self. Okay. After writing the self dot name, we should be able to write the name of the person. Self dot age, we should be able to write the age. After that, I have created the object and then the class name and what is the particular name and age of that person. So I have mentioned John and 36. For printing this, I have to write what is the object dot name and object dot age. So now on screen, you can see that I got the value John and 36. So that's how you can create it. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.